Okay, let's jump right into this explainer because we are going to unlock the exact professional workflows you need to master AI training platforms like Outlier. If you've been looking at platforms like Appen or Telus, you're probably wondering how to actually scale your income, right? Well, today we're pulling straight from our source masterclass to break down the specific strategies that take you from zero to your first $1,000 fast, and more importantly, how to do it without risking your account.
$50 an hour, hitting that first $1,000 milestone quickly is absolutely possible. But, and this is a massive but, there's a catch. You only get there if you actually understand what these AI platforms want from you. Honestly, most people fail right out of the gate because they completely misunderstand the goal of the work. Getting to this number on your dashboard requires a total shift in how you approach the screen.
We've got to instantly ditch that old click-and-earn mentality. Lazy, rushed work isn't just bad, it is literally the fastest route to getting your tasks rejected and catching a permanent ban from the platform. They actively penalize you for treating this like some mindless side hustle. So, what's the golden key here? It's professional logic. That is the only way to protect your account and actually scale your income over time.
Because here is the harsh reality. One single overlooked error is enough to kill your account and stop your pay, instantly. Just imagine you're reviewing a really complex SQL join. If you miss one tiny logic flaw, you've essentially just proved to the platform that your data is untrustworthy. Our source is super blunt about this. These platforms have zero tolerance for sloppy reviews.
So to guide you through fixing this and doing it the right way, we are relying on strategies drawn directly from a senior data professional. We're talking about an RLHF expert, someone who is shaping reinforcement learning from human feedback models every single day. With a heavy background in SQL, business intelligence strategy, and over 500 successful tasks under their belt, this workflow is battle-tested to keep you highly profitable.
All right, let's look at Section 1, the business of AI data, and exactly why these companies pay top dollar.
Before we even touch the workflow itself, we really need to step back and ask, why do these companies pay $50 an hour to begin with? Well, it all comes down to this one concept: data integrity. If they feed bad data into their multi-million-dollar models, the AI fails. It really is that simple. These models learn from your specific human corrections. If your filter is broken, their entire product degrades. So that high hourly rate, it's simply the premium they are willing to pay for your absolute accuracy and reliability.
Time for a quick technical challenge drawn straight from the source material. Imagine you're managing an ETL process, extract, transform, load, for a massive AI training cycle. Your budget is tight, the deadline is looming. Look at the prompt we have here. What is the absolute highest priority for the data science team waiting at the very end of this pipeline?
So, what are you choosing? Are you going with a high volume of 1,000 OK labels or a tiny batch of just 100 perfect expert labels? If you chose the 100 perfect labels, congrats! You are thinking exactly like a senior data strategist. Quality scales, mediocrity destroys. These AI models don't need a mountain of OK guesses. They need surgical, precise logic to actually improve.
Moving right along to Section 2, the Truth-First Workflow. This is your over-the-shoulder masterclass.
Okay, here is the exact step-by-step masterclass workflow to guarantee those perfect expert labels. Step 1 is absolutely non-negotiable. Always read the project instructions first. The source actually notes that doing this instantly doubles your success rate before you even start analyzing a prompt. Step 2, hunt for hallucinations. You need to actively search for where the AI is just making things up. And step 3, explain your logic. Let's look a little closer at those last two.
Which brings us to the golden rule of RLHF: truth first. If the AI lies, you flag it immediately. You cannot just skim it, think to yourself, looks about right, and click next. No way. You are the ultimate arbiter of truth for that prompt. If the logic is flawed, it is entirely your job to stop it dead in its tracks.
Remember, these platforms are not paying for your mouse clicks, right? They're paying for your brain. That justification box sitting there on your screen, that is exactly where you earn your paycheck. You have to explain your logic in crystal clear, simple English, and literally prove your expert reasoning. Why is the AI wrong? How should it be fixed? These detailed justifications are exactly how the model learns, and frankly, how you prove your worth.
And that quote right there serves as our ultimate mantra for this entire explainer. Clean data equals high pay. It's a direct, one-to-one relationship. If your logic is weak, your pay stops immediately. But if you have relentless, clean data, that is what allows you to scale your income indefinitely. Follow this exact pattern, and the money just follows.
All right, let's transition to the final phase. Section 3, Surviving the Banhammer and the Hard Truth for Account Longevity.
Here is the really harsh reality if you want to survive long-term. Platforms actively ban users for lazy work. Look, we know it's incredibly tempting to just rush through tasks that artificially inflate your hourly yield. But prioritizing speed over quality is a guaranteed, foolproof way to meet the banhammer. You are being audited constantly. Quality will always win over speed.
To actually survive and grow in this space, you have to treat data integrity as a true career. Once your baseline is safe, you upskill. By upgrading your SQL abilities, for example, you can actually start automating your quality checks. Sharper skills and better tools mean you can handle way more complex tasks safely, which directly translates to higher pay. You basically evolve from a simple gig worker into a robust AI data strategist. I want to leave you with this one final logic test to really consider the true impact on data integrity. If an AI model generates a perfectly formatted SQL query, beautiful syntax, looks absolutely flawless, but it returns the completely wrong result, do you approve it? Understanding exactly why approving that beautiful but broken code is a critical failure is the real key to mastering this highly lucrative industry. So, would you hit approve?